Ah. Yo. What's up, gang? What up, gang? Do these still fit in my ears, bro? Oh, shit. Yo. Oh, wow, they still fit in my ears. How we doing? What's good? What is good? How we doing, everybody? Oh shit, gold came back down, downs. Gold came back down, downs. How'd you guys do today? How do we do today? Bum, bum. What's the third chart on the right? Oh, it's this is XAU Euro. XAU Euro. That's the triad. Bro, talk about a fucking banger day. One of the best trading days I've had literally all year. Well, one of the best. The other best was when we caught 1,000 points. But 470 point bag on NQ. What are we thinking about the charts right now, tonight's? Oh, yeah. Webinar is Thursday, guys. It's Thursday. And another thing, not just like education, I'm going to do giveaways within the webinar, but also in order to be a part of the giveaways tonight, you must be signed up to the webinar. I pinned it in the chat. It's in the link in the description, but remember the one that I did on the Forever Model Workshop on my YouTube channel? I did that like 2 years ago. That one was just like entry model checklist and a couple chart examples. This one is like literally that on steroids. I've been working on this thing and this class that we're going to be doing for probably the past like 2 months. Sign up to that bitch because it's not going to be recorded and it's not going to be uploaded anywhere. What do we think about the charts though right now? What do we think about the charts? I should sing up for your class. What up, Kasem? I like shorts too. Also, what the fuck happened after we TP'd? We literally TP'd, and then Price just went and did bullshit. Like, what was his bounce? Gold's pretty low in the range. I like indices better. You want to buy SPX or SpaceX? Bro, that shit's a fucking rug pull. RIP to anybody that bought that stock after the IPO or right after the IPO. Bro, I'm looking at NQ. What do you mean it's selling, bro? You see one red candle? Oh, okay. Yo, maybe ES SMT fill. I don't think shorts are primed yet. We got any fair value gaps? Matt, what do you think about indices for Asia? I'm looking at I was looking at the 4-hour, and I was wondering where price could potentially retrace into for a continuation short. And I think that 4-hour gap above would be pretty gas. If we got this internal range tag, I feel like that would be good. It is pretty high up, but I think we can get that. I think price can come up into this 4-hour bearish gap. Yeah, we got the new 90-minute in the next 20 minutes. But I definitely want to see us frame as short from a gap. Primarily this gap. And then we get SMT fill with Dow Jones. For me. So I would mark off this gap and set alert to 29,579. Bro, I don't like gold. I'm not going. Oh my! You know what's crazy? Gold had a long from my indicator at this low. Look at this. My indicator alerted it right here. Right there. Could have held. Wait, hold on. That's crazy. That's funny as hell. But yo, pump gold. I don't give a fuck. Pump that shit. That's actually funny as hell. I didn't even know y'all were talking about. How are you guys trading so far this week? Go, I'm looking at that 4-hour bearish gap. I'm looking at the 4-hour bearish gap on NQ. Maybe you guys can catch longs up to it. But I think it's already. I think it's play. It's ripping it. But I definitely think that it's gonna go to these highs. Like range high to range low. Like that makes the most sense. Stop out, everybody. That's short. Even look at ES. ES has like relative equal highs, like how NQ does. I feel like we got to go to those highs. Go to those highs before the lows. And then target, yeah, what? Target 210. Well, range high, range low. But overall target's down here, yeah. At 160. Still mega bearish on indices. But first focus is literally get price up to 580. Get price up to 580 and then figure it out from there. And then, exactly, Casey, it would be an SMT filled with the Dow Jones. Because NASDAQ, keep in mind, NASDAQ has been the weakest asset for the entire week. NASDAQ has been super weak. We already took out so many external range draws. Now it's time for either Dow Jones or ES to pick up its speed lower. And they both have so much low resistance below. He should be joining. But yo, guys, set your alerts. Set your alerts. We're going to these highs. Set your alerts. Bro, that's actually insane. The USD JPY bullshit. Say your alerts at 580 on NQ and what is this on ES? 571. Set your range like how I have mine. So I got to let you know. To let you know what goes in the world. Bro, I just said it. Oh, never mind. That was an old question. I don't know what gold wants to do. It just pumped off the face of the earth. That could be a Judas swing. There is an SMT inside of the hourly. But the entry's kind of fucked. I think if you guys want to watch silver for metals, watch silver if it inverses this 5-minute gap here. If it inverses that 5-minute gap on silver, could do something like that. I like that idea on silver. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. The spread on silver, not when you're trading futures. Revolution 909. 909. Cause it's you that's on my mind. You that's 909. Saw you in the life. You that's on my mind. Huh. Oh my god. We're definitely gonna get a tag of that 4-hour gap on NQ. Hundo P. Hundo P. How's the week? So like the weekly time frame. Weekly high has to be sent in. Bro, that game, I didn't watch all of it. I saw some, I saw like more so like highlights and a little bit of the end, but holy shit. First of all, one, was that game rigged? And two, Messi's insane. What was the Argentina and the Egypt game, was it rigged? I see so many people saying that it was a robbery. Or it was Argentina and the refs versus Egypt. Why was it rigged? Why? I didn't see. I literally have no idea why. I don't know ball, so you have to enlighten me. Should I look up clips? What is this? They're playing the fucking... They're playing the fucking Jew song. Are those supposed to be red? Are those supposed to be like yellow and red cards or some shit right there? Whatever that just happened. What is that? Foul at least? Was that supposed to be something right there of him getting slapped in the face? That doesn't seem like that's not crazy. That was kind of that was kind of crazy. That was kind of crazy. Bro just fucking elbowed him in the face. That was... I don't see how that's bad. Is that supposed to be a clean slide tackle or no? Or is that like a trip? Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy right there. Okay, so someone enlighten me here, bro. If you trip somebody and like it's relatively intentional or like borderline intentional, is that supposed to be a yellow card? If you like trip someone. Okay. Messi almost broke an... That's crazy. Okay. So what do you think? They're just rigging it for Messi to just take it home for the legacy? Or not the legacy, just for publicity? Not fair, not fair. Referee, not fair. The referee is unfair. He's wasting efforts and entire nation. Even him saying, "Is this the there? This is the coach or whatever the fuck." Yeah, everyone and their mother is saying that France is winning. Damn. I can't. Yo, also, I cannot believe the absolute shit show, disgrace, fucking horrible performance that the USA put on yesterday. That made me sick to my stomach. Holy shit. Bro, I am not even kidding. I took $1,000 and I just burnt it on fire. Don't call. I understand that I'm stupid, but I literally just lit that on fire, putting my money on USA. Oh my god, that game was fucking unbelievable. It's like they never touched a football ever before in their lives. Like that one fucking play where the goalie came completely out of the box and Bull literally just kicked the ball around him and then went right past our other player into the goal. Yes, I bet on fucking US, okay? Like I was supporting my country, bro. Like goddamn. Sue me. Sue me, bro. Fucking supporting my own nation, man. Fuck. I should have just put every dollar that I had on Norway. Wait, hold on. Who did Norway beat? Who did Norway beat? Yeah, no, you're right. Norway beat Brazil? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, dude, I fucked up. I fucked up. I was stupid. I shouldn't have fucking put money on them. I was dumbass. I was dumb as shit. I am a horrible, horrible sports bettor. I am horrible. Only thing that I'm actually decent at is UFC. Speaking of UFC, are you guys ready for McGregor to fight this weekend? McGregor and Holloway. Who's excited for that? Bro, I am so hyped for that shit. I love more than anything in the world betting on UFC. I don't, bro. Holloway is an absolute dog, and I don't think that McGregor hasn't seen a ring in fucking years, so I don't know how that's gonna work out. Don't know how that's gonna work out. I mean, Dazin, I guess we'll have to wait and see, but bro, if I'm gonna be honest with you, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Oh shit. Gold's actually giving a reversal, but Silver's still not giving up on that 5-minute gap. If you guys are paying attention to this, this thing is flipping hard. But keep your eyes on it. On that 5-minute. We're relatively close to that high on NQ here. If McGregor shows up drunk, he wins. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised. Or he just shows up with a bottle of Proper 12 and just comes just to advertise their new design or their new bottle or whatever the fuck it might be. New York, not too far. You'll be my drunk whore. Tripping girl, disco baby. Rocks the rhythm. He's gonna hug Max like he did the first fight. Who else is on that card? Paddy Pimblett, right? I still can't believe this is happening. Ooh, Patty versus Benoit Saint Denis is gonna be fucking gas. I'm pulling this up. Holy shit, this card is fucking huge. Cody Durden is a dog. This will be a good fight. I don't know these guys. Who the hell is John Garza? Fareed, this is a W. This is an absolute fucking behemoth gorilla. Took shorts earlier. Why don't you trade on the 1 minute time frame? I will never take trades on the 1 minute time frame because I like having a good hairline. I hope you guys know that I will literally, like, I cannot wait for the day where my trading is fully automated and the only time that I'll ever have to take trades manually myself, I even posted a story about this, the only times I'll ever have to take trades myself will be swing trades while I literally will set and forget them and not have to worry about shit. And also, other traders or most futures traders trade the 1 minute time frame, okay, because that works for them. I don't like taking multiple trades a day because if you're trading the 1 minute time frame, you can be way more prone to unfortunate stop outs and then price going in your anticipated direction or price stopping you out multiple times and then going into your direction. Fuck the 1 minute time frame. Literally fuck the 1 minute time frame. And I guarantee if you don't make money from the market already and you're like still unprofitable, you're dumb as bricks if you think that trading on the 1 minute time frame is smart. Like literally so fucking stupid. And I don't feel bad for you if you're consistently losing money. Once you get away from 1 minute time frame trading, everything gets easier. Literally everything gets easier. You're just tested a lot more with your patience. You could probably, yeah, you could trade the 15 second with a 30% win rate, have a high risk to reward, and make bank. Yeah, for sure. 100%. I'm assuming silver. Yo, if you guys want to take gold, take silver. Oh, fuck. If you guys want to take silver here on this 5 minute IFEG, this looks like a good trade idea here down to these lows. This is a good trade idea here, guys. If you guys want to take shorts on silver, down to these lows at 59855. This is a really good trade. Wow, look at this shit. Look at XAU Euro. Look at gold. Holy fuck. That 3 minute candle is fucking nuts. It even pre-sweeped out. Oh wait, it even created a 90 minute sequential too. It created a 90 minute sequential. That's actually a really good. What would that be? That would be, I mean, yeah, this should definitely melt, like 100%. Gold, silver, or XAU Euro should clean out the lows here, like no doubt in my mind. That resweep of the creation of bearish SMT at the highs, this thing should die, like 100%. This should flush down in these lows. Yeah, you top take gold fire. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah, it's actually a clean piece right there. 4 hour traded into these these up close candles here too. It's a very, very nice move right there. That's literally where we set in that high. 4 hour bearish order block. That's clean. Like, that's clean. And a 2-stage SMT at the highs. I think gold's going to clean out the low first. I think gold cleans out the low first. I was waiting on indices. Or waiting in on indices. And more so just kind of hopped into this or monitoring metals as a tape read for y'all. I want NQ to rip into that 4 hour gap, please. Pick him up, beat him up. Yo, Riordan's playing actually in Brooklyn in New York on Friday. I might be going. Be nice to see if silver could actually drop from here too. From that that 5 minutes change in the state. Come on, baby. We're only like 40 points away on this high on NQ. Yo, BM. Brandon, are you long on NQ or ES? I'm looking for the 4-hour bearish gap. Jay, I do not. I'm not an M1 guy. Your M1 guy actually just entered the chat. Brandon, pop in on Discord, my boy. Yeah, M5 and above. Also, the 3 minute. I like the 3 minute too. I like the 3 minute. Ooh, okay, Esco. Pass that bit. How's RTY looking? Any back? Grab jack. Sweet. Bro, this is actually setting up so nice. This is setting up so nice. Because if we get a chain in the same delivery out of that 4-hour gap, bro, it's a wrap. And we can get a continuation short from this 4-hour gap. Take out these lows here. That'd be gas. Literally short this thing from here down to here. Fade, it's a chip. Still on SMT here. Could like literally, if you wanted to, fucking even just short the 4-hour fucking gap. Put your stop at that previous 4-hour candle high, and then target these lows down here for 420 points. How much more do I need to make on these accounts? I need to make 12. I need to make 1,200. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Paying up with the big boys. I have some evals that I literally can pass if we get a short from this 4-hour gap, and I'm gonna put on limits at that 4-hour gap. Why did it just make it look so close? I put limits there. Obviously, do it if you want to risk. Like, I mean, you can even throw one micro on to risk 260. But, I mean, why not? Higher time frame connection, so put your stop at the fucking 4-hour SMT high here at 715. That's literally, this is exactly what I'm doing. And holding it in tomorrow. I'm literally gonna do that. I have my limits in at 581.5. Bow, 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 wow, wow, wow. Call me. Did anybody take the short on silver? Just curious. Dude, no. Ryan, I'm literally going to short the 4-hour gap. I'm going to short the 4-hour gap. My stop is going to go with that 4-hour SMT high. Like that. I'm going to cover the fair value gap. And I'm going to hold it overnight. Dude, it's the same thing, bro. It's the same thing that I did on that other trade, bro. If you guys didn't watch my YouTube video that I shared yesterday, bro, I did the same exact thing. I literally did the same exact thing. And that's how I caught literally over 500. I caught 470 points today on NQ shorts because I just traded the 4-hour time frame. I shorted this changing the save delivery here. I shorted the change in the save delivery on the 4-hour. Got short here. I TP'd here. My stop was here. I literally shorted this because of the SMT that was set in here. And then we created more SMT here. Once we had this 4-hour change in the save delivery last night, I literally was like, I'm not even kidding. I risked the entire drawdown of my accounts because I was that confident in the trade. That's all I did. But in this case scenario, I literally only I only put on I'm trading this not on my fundeds, on like an eval, just so I can pass it. Yeah, I mean, if you have some accounts that are on like life alert, then throw on a micro. This is not a super bearish rejection right there, bro. Come on. Look at the open of the 15-minute candles flat. That's not super bearish. That ain't super bearish, bro. And there's, if price dies from here, so you think that it'll go, my favorite AI or Al, you think that we're gonna die from here? Okay, some chill. It's not leaving behind those highs. Chill. No. If it dies from here, then I'm not trading for the rest of the week. Even though I really don't need to, but still. What the hell? They uploaded the full Backrooms movie on Twitter. Anybody want to watch the movie Backrooms? It's literally on Twitter. Okay, just connected to my TV, you fucking piece of shit. Did not mean that. Oh, how are you guys shorting with this high? What are you guys shorting off of? I'm fixing it, bro. I got you. Don't worry. Bro, we need to run this 4-hour gap, bro. There's no way we don't run that 4-hour gap. There's no way. Work to the bone. Drop the platonic and I could take your mind. Bro, there's no way we leave behind that high. I will literally be leaving in those limits at 581. To the bone. What's a 30-minute look like? 30-minute fair value gap in the next 5 minutes. Work it, work it. And to the bone. What is silver doing? Silver's consolidating. It's kind of looking like... Realistically right now, what is it? Dawn, it needs to get through this 15-minute gap. It needs to close off that 15-minute gap. I mean, if you're getting nervous and you don't like the trade, you can close it at entry and wait for the 15-minute to inverse. If you don't feel confident in the trade execution, like it's like basically right at entry. So do with that what you want, but I want to wait for, I'm not touching it right now. I'm focusing on NQ. You can wait for that 15-minute gap to get inversed. Of course. Or if you're nervous about a trade that you're in, I would highly advise, like, if you get into the trade, accept the risk, walk away, and then come back once an alert is triggered on your stop loss or TP. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to have a 30-minute gap on NASDAQ. We're going to trade into that 30-minute gap, and it's going to go to the relative equal highs. That's what's going to happen. Tonight. She yearns to... Bro. There's no way that this thing falls from here, bro. Was it at 9? No. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting, guh. And the 15-minute candle open is literally flat. I do not trust shorts here. Bro, I literally can't. Unless you're fucking hyper scalping this shit, I do not trust that shit at all. New 30-minute candle open. It's literally shorting off of nothing. I just play the long spread between options and bought at close and futures. No. Fair play. Fair play, bro. I just need that. I need that imbalance. I need a rebalance of that fair value gap, and then I would like. I want shorts after that. I can't short from here. I cannot short from here. Taking long on 1 minute CISD? Please, God, Brandon, send it higher. Send it fucking higher, bro. Send it fucking higher. 30-minute SMT. 30-minute SMT filled. Dow Jones long. That 1 minute time frame is hilarious. Yeah, I actually started using the 67-minute, and it's pretty fire. What the fuck is next? The 9 hour? 9 hour, 10 hour, 11 hour? Yeah, that ass. I don't know anything about the 7 hour. I don't use it. Bro, I have no idea why we're dying from here. I have no idea. We're within this fucking range, bro. The second that I put in my limits, too. I put in my limits at that fucking high, and it died. Gotta see us go to those highs, bro. Silver's looking good again. Shit's still holding. Baby, it's make believe. That's good. It's make believe. It's just tell her, huh? Kisses on my body. It's make believe. Well, you're kind of right. For Asia standards, yeah. We did have a pump for Asia standards and a dump. Come on, my come on. Feel like someone in 2016. I just can't. I can't fathom taking a short with a relative equal high left behind like that. I cannot even. I can't even think about it. Silver and if I were you guys and gold or XAU Euro run out that corresponding low that silver has, like if you guys are in silver shorts, I would go break even once either GC or XAU Euro take out that low. You hit TP on gold? Good. I still think silver's got the room lower. You could probably even reduce your risk in half. Put your stop at that 5-minute swing high. I cannot believe NQ is dying from nothingness. How are you dying from nothingness? I think that gold can go down to 4102.7. And if you want to hold it lower to like these lows or even this 6-hour gap. Or this low at 4069.6. Asia is NQ's kryptonite. Bro, send it higher. Send it higher. Higher, higher, higher. Yeah, my limits are short at 581. Breaking out in the room. No, I literally, Daz, and I'm literally putting in a straight limit in at 581. But if we fucking die from here, then I'm not going to be able to get my limit in. Pretty much this 30-minute candle close is going to tell me a lot. I want this to respect the 30-minute gap and go higher. Have I ever been into a fight? Yeah. And I went to fucking court and got charged with assault for one. And I got, thankfully I didn't get arrested in college, but college was bad. College was bad. Did I graduate? No. Freaking out. Good shit, bro. Glass Pearl PD is a piece of shit. Brandon, I promise you, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's fun as fuck. Yo, anybody that's in silver shorts, go break even. Go break even on your position. Or I think honestly, I might have been a one. What was this risk to reward? Go break even if you're in silver shorts. Go break even. Go break even. Go break even. No, I don't do any martial arts. I did do box. I did box, but that was about it. I boxed from the ages of 13 until I was 18. Oh, I wasn't saying college is mid for education. I was saying college is fun to go to. Like it's a good time. The education system is fucking stupid. Unless you're gonna become like a lawyer or like a nurse, a doctor, an engineer, you do not need to go to college. Yeah, exactly. Like you don't need fucking college or a degree for anything else. Fuck all that. Waste of money. Pump NQ, bro. Pump it. Pump it and clean out all this shit. Yeah, imagine going to college and learning about gender identity. Or imagine going to college for like a history major. Imagine someone saying, "Yeah, I'm a history major." What the fuck are you gonna do with that, bro? You gonna talk about Christopher Columbus? Or go to college and be an art major? Unless you're Alec Monopoly, who definitely did not go to college for art. You're not gonna be the next Picasso, buddy. Kieran. Yeah, or going to college for a communications degree to then be an HR representative when AI is literally going to take your job within the span of the next couple of years. Human resources and customer service will no longer be an employable job within 5 years' time across anything. Fuck out of here. That shit fried. Yo, Kieran, set a limit at that 4 hour bearish gap on NQ and ride it down short to me. Ride it down short with me down to these lows. Bro, I put myself in 100K debt to literally not even use my fucking college degree and not even graduate. I did it. Yeah, there's SMT at the previous 4 hour candle highs here, Esco, right here. So my stop loss went at that 4 hour candle high here at 715. I was the worst student ever to walk the planet of the Earth. Oh, wow. Silver came right back. Holy shit. Well, if you guys took silver, make sure you guys are risk-free on the trade, or if you've already taken off your position. Bum, bum, bum. Low key get a student loan and put that money into a CFD. Bro, what? Even with tech, yeah, dude, you could learn everything that you want to online. Everything. Nick, serious question. My name's not Nick, bro. Boom, boom, boom. Create a business, get a bank loan, and then put that money on Conor McGregor to win on Saturday. You don't need a degree for anything. If you look up. Yep. Bro, if you go on like any job website, a majority of those fucking jobs are literally like something that you can make Claude do, automate. You could automate Claude to do. One of my last jobs that I had, my second to last jobs that I had was literally just sorting out emails and sending them out. I could have had Claude do that for me while I collected and raked in a salary for doing nothing. But instead, I still didn't do anything. I barely sent out the emails, and I just tanned out all day and fucking traded while I was working. Oh, but Zab, my first chunk of income, like first time seeing massive money, was when I sold my first ever ecom business, and that was back in 2020. Fucking, that was back in 2018, 2018, 2019. I patented a product, made a website, started wholesaling to local businesses, was borderline getting it brick and mortar, and then I sold the company. And then I found out about trading in 2020. Yeah?
Oh yeah, what's up?
What are you doing?
I'm listening to your story of how you sold your first company. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it was called Clip and Carry, and it was for fucking it was a charger that you could plug in your phone, you plug into your phone, and you
Yeah.
at the end of it you could charge your Jewel. And
Oh really?
I did it in college.
Did you private label it or just straight drop ship it?
Straight drop shipped it, and I would
That's fire.
literally I would get the fucking I would get the charger for like it was like a dollar 25.
Hmm.
Came from I got it off of Alibaba and AliExpress,
Yeah, yeah.
and then I mass shipped them all to my crib, created the label, and
Oh, you
then
did it yourself. So you didn't like just fulfill it directly from like Alibaba or whatever. You created your own label and shipped it.
I did it all myself. I made the branding, I
That's
made the
fire.
logo, I did everything, and then I would wholesale it to other smoke shops within the entire state of New Jersey.
That's fire.
And I did that while I was in college.
That was your first like time making money.
Yep.
Hmm.
I basically stopped selling drugs and then I started selling Jewel chargers. I pretty much
Drugs for college kids. Yeah.
funded my trap money into a business.
It's fire actually. I lost like 30K trying to drop ship when I was like in my 20s, like young 20s.
Oh no, trust me, I still lost money trying to. Dude, I tried doing a fucking beard. One of my first ever products that I ever tried to do was a beard comb.
A beard?
A beard comb. A beard comb.
Oh, yeah. I tried to do like I had a dropshipping business called Four Babies for You, and it was literally just like drop shipping the cheapest fucking China made baby products. And then I got like charged back and sued on one. And like like somebody bought like this pacifier or some shit for their baby. I'm a dumbass, right? Like drop shipping kids for products for children. I got like a mass lawsuit and just paid everyone back. Literally like destroyed all my inventory and just took the $30,000 loss. I was like, oh shit.
Yo, dude, put a limit at the 4 hour gap with me.
See? Bro, I'm so sick. Do you not hear me?
You sound fine.
I'm eating some soup right now. I've been like literally sleeping all day.
But I don't even think we're gonna get to the 4 hour gap. I'm not gonna lie.
You're
It's like,
looking for those lows on Nasdaq, right?
yeah, I want to fucking, I want priced. I don't know what we're reversing off of. If I'm being honest, if I'm being honest with
Oh
you.
no, yeah, we will probably form hive inside that 4 hour gap. You should look for divergence with Dow inside that gap
Yeah,
later.
bro, I want this to create an SMT fill with Dow, and I want us to create the high of the
Mhm.
day on NQ inside of that at 581. I want to short that, put a limit in there, and then target those lows.
Yeah, it's also a 6 hour gap.
Yeah, I don't know why we're not
We'll
fucking.
we'll probably consolidate in the overnight session and then maybe like Asia, or maybe like London will tag it.
I don't. This is. I hope so. I hope we don't die from here.
If we do, we can go long tomorrow.
Yeah. If no, that's a fact. If we do drop lower and we take out these lows overnight, then I'm literally targeting these relative equalize.
Literally just target the 6 hour gap. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. So today you had a fire day though. You banged out.
Dude, today was absolutely insane. One of my best day, well, second best day of the year.
Good trip, bro. If
Eh,
you next time pyramid in New York from Asia, no fucking.
I actually should have, because dude, you literally like the amount of opportunities that you could have taken short today. I saw four.
Yeah, I think your pyramid would have been really good because you could have taken just a 5 minute pyramid at open,
Hmm.
and your average price would still you'd be so far away if you enter in Asia, right?
Yeah. Like my entry
Well,
was literally
actually,
780, 791.
Yeah, it's really man. You got a really fucking insane Phil.
yeah,
I
you
know.
definitely should. You should pyramid like aggressively into New York because you know that's when the volatility is gonna come in.
You know what I'll do,
And
bro?
bro,
You know what I'll do?
yeah,
If we get, let's say we create high of day inside of that 4 hour gap, I'll pyramid
Mhm.
in if we get an entry, a continuation take out the lows if we don't take it out overnight.
Mhm.
Wait, what are you doing, Brandon?
If you're trading both sessions on a trend day, you should just add in like half of your size in Asia or London, and then with New York, if the driver confirms it, then you should just take your full. Then you should add a full size and just like you can treat them as two different positions. You know what I mean?
Yeah, wait,
Because you would have probably made like 3K per account or some shit like that, something crazy.
yeah.
Yeah.
No. Oh shit, bro. Brandon, you're trying to compete with Big Pharma, huh?
Oh, BM's here. I'm
Yeah,
not watching the.
he's in the chat.
What's up, BM? Yo, this guy BM flamed me today in his Instagram reel. Let's talk about it. I was the donut. Did you see Brandon's Instagram reel this morning?
I did see him calling everybody a donut that took that.
I took the 1 minute and I took 5 minutes. To be fair though, I am like feeling like ass. I missed the entry I wanted on the 1 minute, so I definitely chased it. I was streaming though, and like my entire community was like, "Why are we getting it on this 1 minute?" I'm like, honestly, you should probably wait for a 5.
But I just remember BM calling me a fucking donut.
Yeah, you stupid donut. What the?
BM, say sorry to me, bro.
What do you use to trade copy? Tradecopia.
Tradecopia is good. Tradecopia is the best copier, I think.
Yeah, it is. Yes, it is.
I've had some issues with the Trade Sinker and like the Apex copier as well.
I
The
have
whole
not.
donut. Yeah.
I do not have.
I actually am a donut for that though, chasing that 1 minute. Thankfully, like I mean it. Losses don't really mean much if you have good risk management, low key. I think Leo also took that same 1 minute short. Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, Leo and I called him after. I was like, "Yo, we're donuts." We both took the 1 minute and then the 5 minute.
Yeah, but that 5 minute banged out and literally made up.
That 5 minute banged out for sure. Yeah.
Dude, I don't know why do I leave this fucking limit in overnight? Like Jesus.
You're looking just to play yourself at 4 hours?
Yeah.
Do we have news tomorrow?
FOMC meeting minutes, but it's basically no news
Oh,
day.
that's nothing. That's nothing. Yeah. You can leave your limit there.
Yeah, I know, but what if we sweep out the lows and then we retarget the?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would not then. I would wait. I would set an alert.
Yeah, that's what I'll probably do. Brandon, that's actually very fucking smart.
What is?
What he's saying.
Oh, let me look.
I don't know how the fuck you're doing that though, with like the patents and the shit that you have to deal with legally, but I wish you nothing but the best because if you successfully pull that off, just know
BM,
that
you should. Yeah,
I
BM, you should talk to my dad. Actually, my dad has like a PhD in oncology, and he does a lot. He has a couple patents. He could probably like give you some good advice. He's like kind of in that space, but pretty cool stuff you're doing actually. I'll connect you guys. BM, send me a message. I'll connect you with my dad. I'm like, just text or something. Just tell him about your idea because he has a couple of patents in Canada. I wouldn't use TradeSynchro. I think TradeSynchro is pretty bad. I've had some problems with it. I don't know about you, Matt.
TradeSynchro?
Yeah.
Brandon, how fried are you right now? Just let me know.
Yo, BM, hop on the call. Yo, do you have a Tradecopia code, Matt?
I don't even know if I'm being honest with you. Don't use my code.
Use my code for Copia. I have a Copia code actually. I think it'll get you like 25 or 30% off. I'm not entirely sure.
Brandon,
But
if you run for office, I literally will I will support you in every single way possible. That would actually be amazing.
Yeah, let me know if that code for Copia works. I don't know if Matt has one.
I don't.
Also, yeah,
it doesn't
BM, if you
matter.
become president, can me and Matt become your advisors? The war room of fees, Matt and
Could
BM.
you
That'd be fucking
imagine
lit.
Brandon is in
That'd be lit.
office and then Brandon's in office and then next thing you know, we just like get like these signal words of him saying certain things and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
that those signal words we literally just fucking max con 10,000 contracts on NQ because he's about to fucking say that the market's going to explode. It's like you literally have your fucking your good ass boy has like the last Infinity Stone, and we are just a part of that Avengers squad.
Imagine how nonsense our meetings would be if me, you, and Brandon were in politics.
That's
Imagine one
that
of us
would
is in
be
politics, the other two are the advisors.
no
Our
no no
meetings would be
no no, no.
hilarious.
That would be the end of the world. That would literally be the end of the world. I'm not even kidding. The world
We
would
just
go
do
to
the
shit.
most stupid shit.
The world would go to this would that would be a horrible thing. Actually, it would be a great thing because we would eliminate stupidity.
That's true, actually. A mandatory part of education will be learning the forever model. Trademark.
Yes. Exited my MNQ short, done for the day, and don't have to deal with Newgram madness. Dope, dude. Sleep in.
It is yeah. Copia is like $80. You're right. It's expensive. I mean, it's not cheap. I don't think any of the trade copies are cheap, but they're definitely worth it.
Wait, is it actually $80 for a month?
I think for the premium one, yeah.
$80 a month? I didn't even know that.
I don't know if it's per month. I think you can get a yearly sub. What I will say about the price of copiers is that it's more expensive when your copier fucks up. I was using the Apex one. I don't know if you guys ever used that one. And one time it just reverse filled me, and I got all my accounts. All my accounts were terminated for hedging, because on like 3 of my Apex PAs it like reverse filled, and
Wait, on
3
the
of them
Trade
didn't
Evade
close
copier?
out. What is that?
On Trade copier?
No, on Apex copier. So I told you about this. Remember it was 2 weeks ago? How like remember those 2 PAs that I had like pretty
Yeah.
big buffer on? Yeah, like Apex just closed them for hedging.
That's so weird.
Well, it was like literally they showed me, and I was like, "Oh, it was the copier. It was the Apex copier." And they were like, "Oh, they don't really care because it just all they see on their end is that 2 accounts had reverse positions, right? So that low key cost me like 10 grand. So I was like, okay, well, it's probably more important to make an investment in the copier then.
That's crazy. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna leave my limits in overnight because
I wouldn't leave limits in overnight in case it takes the range low first.
yeah, I'm gonna take away my limits, and then I guess I'll reevaluate. I'll reevaluate tomorrow just in case price wants to come down lower, sweep out this, and then go higher, and then retarget this. But the first idea was running out this high to then drop lower and clean out those lows. We literally missed.
I think today might also create a daily gap, so it'd be interesting. We'll see what happens overnight. If we don't take out the lows and we start trading higher, we might just be able to trade today like as an inside bar.
Yeah,
We'll see.
it was a
Which
pretty
kind of
good
sucks.
trade.
I think the majority of the move was yesterday, low key.
Yeah, like we were 22 points away from our entry, which sucks, but it is what it is.
Oh, you almost got filled?
Dude, we were right here. It was 20 points away.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see.
I have my limits in right there, and then next thing you know, price just fucking flipped.
Have you been looking at metals at all? I haven't looked at all.
Well, I called out a short on silver that got break evened. It was from this. There was a 90-minute inside of an hourly gap,
Yep, I see that.
and
I see
then
that.
there was a 5-minute change in the save delivery, and the IFEG traded down lower, ran out the low, and then retraced break even.
Yep, I see.
Yeah.
Today was actually like pretty rage bait that Nasdaq left that. I actually ended up only taking like half profit because I was holding for those lows. I don't know about you. I was holding for those. That's
Oh
also
yeah, no, I took out everything at these lows here.
yeah. I know a bunch of people like who took the trade with me were like, "But what would you expect Nasdaq to leave that low?" And I'm like, I'm gonna be honest, no. Like that 160 low, we came pretty close to it, right? Like we were like what 40 points
we were
away.
Very close, and then completely flipped
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
40 points away. It's kind of rage bait, honestly. But
This
should
is
be a
range
clean
bait in
bell for
itself.
tomorrow.
If I were you guys, bro, I would literally just set an alert at the range high, Set an alert at the range low. Because I have no business trading in between that. In between this. Whatever that is. The M.
Yo, is anyone else in the chat like super sick this week? Me and Jay both got fucking really sick. I wonder if anyone else is like, if someone's going around.
I think that's just the people that don't go to the gym.
Jay goes to the gym.
I'm kidding.
True. No, I think it's because I'm like in a World Cup city, bro. The number of people here is just disgusting.
Yeah,
There's so many different people from all over the world bringing all their disease.
I'm guessing your way to pass micros. Yes, exactly, Esco. Also, my targets are much bigger.
Yeah, you can risk more precisely with micros for sure.
I'd much rather trade micros.
In most cases, you're better off taking 10 micros over a mini just because you can partial.
Exactly, and like if you're trading a 50K account, and you have $2,000 drawdown. You should not be trading minis. Like you just shouldn't be unless your stops are legitimately like fucking 10, 20 points.
You should be risking like 10% of your drawdown on a funded account, 10 to 15%.
Exactly.
Like $300 is good. Nah, bro, I don't get vaccinated. Had a freaking smoker's cough last week. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I got, bro, but it's terrible.
Well,
if you're in short, I think you're chilling though. Actually, could probably. Is there any divergence at those highs, dude?
no.
There's nothing, yeah.
No. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm probably gonna call it. I don't see any. I really wanted to see price run out those highs. And then give us a short from that point. But I took off my limits. I will wait to see what happens tomorrow for an opportunity. But yeah, I think that you guys should just set your alerts to the lows, set your alerts to the highs, figure it out from there. And then I guess.
Yeah, we should take out PDL. If you're gonna TP, don't TP at PDL though. Just TP at the range low on Nasdaq. That failure spin. It's a better draw.
Exactly.
It's very unlikely that we take out the previous day low and we don't take out 160. That'd be fucking crazy.
I know, and I wouldn't even be surprised if it did that in these market conditions. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, tomorrow might be a skip day, bro. I don't really have. I mean, the higher time frame on indices looks so bad, dude. Oh my god.
It's a fucking train wreck. But I still think that it's gonna go down lower. It's just how and when.
TP at the POC in the support zone. Holy method. I don't even know what that means, but that's the method.
Point of control, bro.
Y'all be using that?
You gotta know what the VPOC is too.
Oh, is that the volume point of control?
Yeah, son, the volume point of control.
Yeah, I only know those low volume nodes, son.
Yeah, bro, those high volume nodes, bro, that align with the fair value gaps in the fucking.
Oh my goodness, yo, I only know when the big green bubbles go pop. Yeah, I'm just looking at the heat map, seeing the big green bubbles,
bro,
and I'm like, all right,
bro,
bye.
Just imagine if you see a big fucking red bubble aligned with a POC and a fat ass high volume node.
Yeah,
inside of a fair value gap with an SMT divergence.
PSP, SMT, strength switch, asset sync.
Bro, oh my
Combine
God.
it all.
That's like literally the universal model.
Literally, that's like autism model maxing. You have every confluence.
Literally autism model maxing.
One of my students actually, he trades like level 2 like Dom stuff. And it actually is crazy. The precision he has, he gets essentially the same entries I do, but he uses 10-point stops. But then when they're wrong, he gets absolutely like raped on the other side of the market. you take these like 15-second entries with the volume profile, and then when that big red bubble somehow gets bought up, yeah, you get cooked.
In the snap of a finger.
Yeah, literally in 5 seconds flat.
That's so funny. Damn.
Yeah, literally all the words we said are just like trader brain rot words.
Yeah, no, what we just spoke was Japanese completely. Damn. All right, well,
maybe
Maybe one day we'll use like profiles and stuff. But I don't think I'll ever be able to do it personally.
Hell no, I'm never using that shit.
So if there's like significant edge offered by it, I will. But I don't believe it at the moment.
I'm good. I'm good with my forever model.
Hence the name.
I'm good. Damn.
All right, boys. I will see you tomorrow. I'll call you after New York.
All right, peace, yo.
All right, peace.
All right. We're going to cut off here, guys. We're just sitting in this range. Pretty dead weight. If you guys haven't already signed up to the webinar, sign up. Be a part of that for Thursday. Link is in the description. But set your alerts at the range high. Set your alerts at the range low. Basically, whatever side gets taken, we target the opposing side. That's what we're going to do. So, that being said, I hope you guys all have a great rest of your night. Be safe. Good luck at trading tomorrow. And I will see you guys in the next stream. Deuces, y'all.